We still don't know what's inside each box. Why is shuffling all these boxes? Because today, we didn't get any special comments from you. So go ahead. Drop something creative in the comments. Out of all these, Safal picked just one box. We've got a truly unique project today. Let's unpacking it and explore what's inside. This amazing home automation circuit has been provided by SMT Services. Let's see how this smart innovation works. SMT Services creates advanced PCB designs, smart circuits, and complete electronic solutions that bring innovative ideas to life. In this SMT Services project, we have 4 perfectly placed relays and high-quality components assembled with precision. The soldering is also done using advanced machines, ensuring accuracy and reliability. Now let's test this assembled electronic board. With just a press of the remote button, the fan turns on, and another press activates the light. Every command works smoothly. We tested it with multiple on and off commands, and it responded perfectly every time. Our engineering team has designed a smart circuit that can connect with devices like Alexa and other smart systems. Now, let's complete the circuit by installing the remaining components. This circuit was designed entirely by our engineering team, and it involved a highly complex design process. We can't reveal the exact software used because this video not sponsored. However, if you're planning to create advanced PCB designs like this, you can use tools such as Altium Designer, KiCad, or EasyAda. Each of these platforms offers powerful features for handling complex electronic circuit designs. Altium Designer is a premium software, but don't worry. We've already collaborated with many talented engineers on different projects, helping them gain real-world experience while building practical designs. If you're passionate about electronics, you can join us, learn by working on actual projects, and grow your skills with our engineering team. Everything is set, now bringing the circuit together through soldering. Many of you have been asking in the comments about software information. So I want to share that there are many software companies and tools available, like Altium and many more, which you can explore for your work and learning. You can also ask me anything related to software through the comments or connect with me on Instagram. I'll be happy to help you with the right information. As you can see in my hand, we've added some wires that will be connected to this setup. Let's solder these wires neatly to ensure a strong connection. Now the circuit work is complete. Our engineering team has done an excellent job on this project, and we're continuing to work on more such innovations. Let's move ahead with the table testing. We needed a remote control for testing, and we got it from SMT Services. Now, let's unbox it and check it out. As you can see, it has an excellent finish, feels durable, and is built with great quality. Pressing the buttons one by one, the first on, second on, third on, and fourth on. The fifth turns off, and with the final button, everything powers on together. Now let's take a look at the wiring. Each of the 4 units has its own dedicated wire connected to the circuit, while the second wire from each unit is joined together with the main line. As you can see, the connections are neatly organized and properly integrated into the system. The wiring was simple, and the project turned out great. Let us know your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe. If you'd like to be part of our engineering journey, stay connected. See you in the next project. Goodbye, engineers.